Hi everyone, I'm glad to introduce you a cognitive approach for brain-computer interfacing in smart educational environment. The brain-computer interface makes it possible to optimize one's own activities through the development of cognitive skills. Today, neuroplasticity training methods are becoming more and more popular, and monitoring the mental well-being of employees is becoming a real policy of many companies. Brain Neurocomputer Interface Society 2015 report based on estimated scores of BCIs in 2011 and PubMed statistics of the same year announced an increase of interest to BCI and make some prognosis. In 2008, on European Commission Sustainable Development Conference, the classification of BCI was presented, which legislates the technology of research and implementation in accordance with modern conditions of human development. In 2025-2050, BCI will become word implemented with emerging technologies such as invisible interface and Internet of Minds. For system research, the training sessions and experience-making methods are used. Basic laboratory for research use BCI. Mental activity, which represents decision-making of user or reactive sum answer to environment condition change, usually fixed as dynamic or voltage change influenced by stimuli trios and task quicks. Results studied and compared through the sessions. System must be designed with accordance to features of psychometry and recommendation for task representations. Any routine task familiar to network is solved with basic skill of professionally competent mind as correct reaction for environment stimuli or situation. Most of such answer actions in idiolect are decision-making by rules of jargon used in system. Taking into consideration of human-computer interactive nature of studied systems, the description of computational process will represent functioning of network must satisfy mind features of the workload. So the aim of cognitive optimization of system is to bring the quality of idiolect data into accordance with jargon understanding for enough efficiency of networking. For results described in research, you should use system of control tests and trainings. Represents control cuts for each session, with efficient number of attempts and markers of performance. Neuroplasticity metrics are correlate each other by principles of flow performance. So the most suitable representation of training of BCI system is correlation matrix by collected and compared data. The model is ideal brain features description complemented by clusters analysis of typical trainings. It is a rule for further design and development, which can be represented as crowdsourcing project. For example, demonstrator research results after the end of full stage of study will be accessible on GitHub following this link. This page also represents my research about cognitive biases presented on Connected by Science Marathon. You can also connect me by email or LinkedIn profile. I thank you for attending my presentation and ready for answers to your questions.